the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, for the honor and opportunity you have given me by inviting me and giving me this platform to create awareness for our girls. Your passion for girl child empowerment inspires me deeply. We are profoundly honored by your support, inspiration, and unwavering dedication to the well-being of the Nigerian girl child. Your motherly love and advocacy for women and girls continue to give us hope that a brighter future is possible. May Allah Almighty continue to grant strength and wisdom. Alongside, I extend my profound gratitude to Hajiya Aisha Mole of Zamfara State, the Kebbi State, the First Lady of Kebbi State, Hajiya Nafisa Orangandu, Aisha Salim, the CEO of ATM Homes and Apartments, whose presence, support, and encouragement continue to give us strength as we work to empower our girls and communities. Your commitment and care remind us that we are not alone on this journey of lifting the girl child across Nigeria. So our organizing team, volunteers, and everyone who supported us in making today's program a success, Jazakumullahu khairan. Your efforts will not be forgotten. Lastly, to our dear girls, we love you. We are proud of you, and we believe in your future. Go home and share this to your family and friends. Always remember that you are valued, strong, and capable of achieving greatness. Thank you for all your time. Thank you for all the time, your presence and your attention today. May Almighty Allah grant us the health and opportunity to continue. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.